got that water boiling out here for these clams. Dug these up about an hour ago, washed them all off. I'm just gonna go ahead and throw them in the water here. Okay, for these, you know, a lot of people put Old Bay, a whole bunch of seasoning in there, and that's all good. But you know, today I'm just doing straight water, and I'm gonna dip it in cocktail sauce, keeping it simple. And all I'm gonna do is just bring these to a boil and wait for those things to open up. That's it. All right, it's probably been about 5 minutes, but you can see they're starting to pop. You see that one right there? There we go. All right, they're about open. See those? Yep, they're all open. Make sure, we still got a couple that aren't quite there, ready to roll. Let it cool down and we can eat them. It smells so good right now. Look at that. Ooh, that baby's gonna be good. That's done. You just grab your fork and fish it out of there and get some cocktail sauce on it. Let it cool off for a minute though, they're still hot. I'm gonna go ahead and try one of these just plain, no sauce on it. That's good. I could eat them just like that. Buttery, not too chewy, not too soft, no sand, delicious. Get some cocktail sauce. Look at those beauties. If you're sophisticated, you get a fork and do this. If you're a caveman like me, you just go like that. That is freaking delicious. I got some oysters too. So clams and oysters. Pulled these off the beach probably 3 hours ago. Brought them home, put them in the fridge. Now I'm just getting the grill warmed up. I'm not doing anything fancy with these oysters here either. I'm keeping it basic, just like the clams. Very basic. Got the grill up to about 400. Put them oysters. Got the long dog there. We'll see how that one does, how that one tastes. They're not popped yet. Those are beautiful. Those are gonna be so delicious. It's starting to get a little dark out here, but I got my oyster sauce, which is my cocktail sauce. A shucker and a fork. That baby cooking hot. We'll see how they're doing. Just wait for these things to pop open. That's it. Just gotta pop open a little bit. Oh, that one's ready. The big dog's ready. Once they pop like that, that's when you know they're done. So just pull it right out. I'm just kind of pulling them off as they get done. How I know they're done is they pop open just like that. So that's how you know. If you leave them on there too long, they get too chewy. That's perfect. Look at that. Yeah. That'll do it. Yeah, these things probably only take about 10 minutes. Like I said, just enough for them to pop. That baby's done. See that little baby one in there? And we'll pry that other one off of there. You can do this without one of these, but it sure is nice to have an oyster shucking knife. Just pop that in there. You can get it in there without breaking the. Look at that. That one there. That one there. That one's ready to eat. Let that cool off. There's another one right in there too. All right, spread all these open. Look at that. That's gonna be good. Oh yeah, let that cool off just for about a minute or two. There's that big dog right there. Now let's give these a shot. For this, you don't even need a bowl. Grab your cocktail sauce. Put it right in there like that. Grab your oyster here. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Holy crap, really good. Mm-hmm. Mmm.